Azure Virtual Machines, VMs, are one of the core services offered by Microsoft Azure, providing scalable computing resources on demand. They allow users to deploy and manage virtualized instances of operating systems, offering flexibility and control over computing environments. Azure VMs support a wide range of operating systems, including various distributions of Linux and all versions of Windows Server. This makes them suitable for a variety of applications, from simple web servers to complex enterprise applications. Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets, VMSS, are an Azure compute resource that you can use to deploy and manage a set of identical VMs. With VMSS, you can easily build large-scale services for areas such as big data, containerized workloads, and more. They provide high availability and allow you to centrally manage, configure, and update a large number of VMs. VMSS automatically increases or decreases the number of VM instances in response to demand or a defined schedule, ensuring your application remains available and responsive. Availability sets are a crucial feature for ensuring high availability of your VMs within Azure. They are designed to protect your applications from hardware failures by distributing VMs across multiple isolated hardware nodes within a data center. This ensures that if a hardware or software failure occurs, only a subset of your VMs are impacted, maintaining the overall availability of your application. Availability sets are essential for any mission-critical application that requires high uptime and reliability. Azure Virtual Desktop, AVD, is a comprehensive desktop and app virtualization service running in the cloud. It allows you to deliver a full Windows 10 or Windows 11 experience, along with Office 365 Pro Plus, to any device. AVD is ideal for remote work scenarios, providing secure and scalable access to corporate resources. It simplifies management and deployment, reduces costs, and enhances security by keeping data within the Azure environment. AVD supports multi-session Windows 10, enabling multiple concurrent users on a single VM. Azure VMs offer numerous benefits, including flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. They allow you to choose the exact configuration you need, from the number of CPUs to the amount of RAM and storage. Azure's pay-as-you-go pricing model ensures you only pay for what you use, making it cost-effective for both short-term and long-term projects. Additionally, Azure VMs integrate seamlessly with other Azure services, providing a comprehensive cloud solution for your computing needs. Azure VMs are versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications. Common use cases include hosting web applications, running databases, and supporting development and testing environments. They are also ideal for running legacy applications that require specific operating systems or configurations. Azure VMs can be used to extend on-premises data centers, providing additional capacity during peak times or for disaster recovery purposes. Their flexibility and scalability make them suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. VM scale sets provide an efficient way to manage and scale your applications. They support automatic scaling based on predefined metrics, such as CPU usage or memory consumption, ensuring your application can handle varying loads. VMSS also integrates with Azure Load Balancer, distributing traffic evenly across VMs to optimize performance. This automatic scaling and load balancing reduce the need for manual intervention, allowing you to focus on developing and improving your applications rather than managing infrastructure. Availability sets are essential for achieving high availability in Azure. By distributing VMs across multiple fault domains and update domains, they minimize the risk of downtime due to hardware failures or maintenance activities. Fault domains represent a group of VMs that share a common power source and network switch, while update domains ensure that not all VMs are updated simultaneously. This redundancy and isolation ensure that your application remains available even in the event of a failure, providing a reliable and resilient infrastructure. Azure VMs come with a range of built-in security features to protect your data and applications. These include network security groups, NSGs, to control inbound and outbound traffic, Azure Disk Encryption to secure data at rest, and Azure Security Center for continuous monitoring and threat detection. Additionally, Azure VMs support role-based access control, RBAC, allowing you to define granular permissions for users and applications. These security features help ensure that your VMs and data are protected against unauthorized access and potential threats. Managing costs is a critical aspect of using Azure VMs. Azure provides several tools and features to help you optimize your spending. Azure Cost Management and Billing allows you to monitor and analyze your usage and costs, set budgets, and create alerts to avoid overspending. Azure Reserved VM instances offer significant discounts for long-term commitments, while Azure Hybrid Benefit allows you to use existing on-premises licenses to save on costs. By leveraging these tools and features, you can effectively manage and reduce your Azure VM expenses. Azure VMs integrate seamlessly with a wide range of other Azure services, providing a comprehensive cloud solution. For example, you can use Azure Backup to protect your VM data, Azure Site Recovery for disaster recovery, and Azure Monitor for performance monitoring and diagnostics. Azure VMs also work well with Azure Active Directory for identity and access management, and Azure DevOps for continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines. This integration enhances the functionality and value of your Azure VMs, enabling you to build robust and scalable applications. Getting started with Azure VMs is straightforward. First, you need to create an Azure account and set up a subscription. Then you can use the Azure Portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell to create and configure your VMs. The Azure Marketplace offers a wide range of pre-configured VM images, making it easy to deploy common applications and services. Azure also provides extensive documentation and tutorials to help you get up and running quickly. Whether you're new to cloud computing or an experienced professional, Azure VMs offer a flexible and powerful solution for your computing needs. To get the most out of your Azure VMs, it's important to follow best practices. These include choosing the right VM size and type for your workload, using managed disks for better performance and reliability, and implementing backup and disaster recovery solutions. Additionally, you should regularly monitor and optimize your VMs using Azure Monitor and Azure Advisor. Security best practices include using NSGs, enabling Azure Disk Encryption, and implementing RBAC. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Azure VMs are secure, efficient, and cost-effective. Azure VMs offer a versatile and powerful solution for a wide range of computing needs. From simple web servers to complex enterprise applications, Azure VMs provide the flexibility, scalability, and security required to support your workloads. By leveraging features such as VM scale sets, availability sets, and Azure Virtual Desktop, you can build robust and resilient applications. To get started, create an Azure account, explore the Azure Marketplace, and follow best practices to optimize your VMs. With Azure VMs, you can harness the power of the cloud to drive your business forward.